everyone. In today's video, we're going to see if you encounter the error code C2002 in Western Union, how you can find a solution for it, and why does that problem come. So there are a variety of error codes that you can face in Western Union. This is the error code that we'll be talking about, C2002. Now, basically, the code C2002 means that there's a technical issue. So the solution for this would be that, first of all, you can just, try to do the transaction again. If it works, then it's great. It could be that the last time it didn't work, it works the next time. But if that's not the case, you can wait for a bit and you can wait for some more time until you do that transaction again. You can wait for a few hours or sometime. If it works, then it's great. If not, then you would have to contact the Western Union support. Since if this error does not get fixed manually, this is an error from their side, so they will need to solve it. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.